Hello again, everyone. Welcome back to another instructional video from Forest River, Salem and Wildwood Divisions. I'm Sean Fitzsimmons, Warranty Administrator of Wildwood, and today we're going to talk about microwaves. For the operation of the microwave, press the push button to open the door and place the microwave-safe dish onto the plate into the microwave and close the door. From there, you can set your cook time and hit start to begin warming your food. For advanced settings, such as setting the clock or cooking specific items in a microwave, please see your specific appliance manual for the product installed in your RV. This product is relatively maintenance-free, but is a good idea to clean it out from time to time if food or grime builds up inside. Please note, a solution of vinegar and lemons in a microwave-safe dish and placed into the microwave and cooked for approximately 5 minutes can make cleaning the inside of a microwave a breeze. Due to the amount of amperage that these products use and the circuit in which the product is wired, we will install a transfer switch, which transfers power between the fireplace and the microwave. If your RV does not have a fireplace in it, then the transfer switch is not necessary. Be sure that the transfer switch is flipped to the microwave setting to ensure power is being supplied to the microwave.